Not again, the tire. Hey guys, Bart here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty sure a situation like this happened to most of you, and today I found a solution for me, or hopefully for you, for not having to go to a tire shop or a gas station to fill up the air in your tire if this happened to you. I found this portable air compressor that you can use in every situation. Let's go. I found this really affordable portable air compressor from VacLife. This one, it's really small and compact, but this one, it's just for you to use when it's emergency, to put in your car. My car in this case, you can just put this in to the 12-volt socket in the center console. And I also got another one which is still portable, still quite small, but this one can be used both at home and inside your car, because it also have two options for you to use for the 12-volt socket and also 110-volt plug at home. And actually both portable air compressor comes with this emergency flashlight, and this one too. It's really cool. Alright, now let's put the air back in my front tire. Okay, before I put the air back into my tire, let's check how much PSI do I have to put back in the tires. So you can easily just check it on the driver door panel when you open it. It's on the side right there, just next to the seat. It will show you exactly how much you need to put back in your tires. My car has 18-inch wheels front and back, so I will need 42 PSI in each of the tires. But in this case, I'll put just about 40, so that way the ride is not that rough. But if you want a full efficient on the car, you might want to put 42, but the ride is gonna be a little more rough. I'll just put 40 on the tire. Before I put the air back in my tire using this portable air compressor, if you guys are interested in these two products, I will put the link down below in the description, and also special discount code for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching. The reason why I picked these because they are really affordable. Like this small one is only $29. I will keep this one, definitely keep this one in my car all the time, because if we take a road trip and one of the tire pressure is low, I don't have to actually go find a gas station or a tire repair shop to get the air in. I can just use this portable one during the trip, but I will keep this big one at home so I can use it on both of my cars, and you can use it for different things too. Okay, now let me show you how to use this portable air compressor. Let's go. So basically, just pop this metal console in the front, and inside there will be a 12-volt socket that you can just plug it in, just like that. You plug it in, then now we should get the power on this air compressor. As you can see, let me take this one out. Sorry, it's blinking in the camera. You can set the PSI that the tire needs to be inflated to. So like we checked, you only can change your PSI, and we're gonna go up to about, get it not too much, about 40, so it's not too rough of the ride and still somewhat efficient. Now it's really low. That is 30.5. Now you're gonna have to add back to 40. Click on the power button right here. Now it's adding the air back to the tire. As you can see, it stops by itself when it gets to the set PSI that I set it up. Really compact and it's really easy to use. Since it has this really long wire, this portable air compressor from VacLife will reach every single wheels of your car. As you can see, the car is still showing the winning side here. I think I have to drive the car a little bit, let it recalibrate, and then it will show the right PSI. Alright, let's go. See, as you can see, I'm gonna stop first. As you can see, the warning sign's gone. Now we see the PSI on my car. It says 40, like we set on that portable air compressor. Now it's 40 right here, 39 and 39 on this side. So let's go home and I'll use the bigger compressor to fill up the air equally on 4 tires. After I'm done using it, I can just basically put in the back of my trunk. There's a pocket over there. It's always space back here, so I can use it anytime I need it. For emergency, when puncture on your tires, I suggest not to use that, but I also have one of these tire repair kit. Let me open it and get it out right here. So probably use that to get the air to one of your tire if it's flat. If it's punctured and you need to drive to the tire shop or tire repairs so you can get out of the freeway or the road safely, then I recommend you have one of these in your car. It didn't come with the Tesla. I believe you can buy it from online. I got this from my old Fiat 500e. Never used it. Hopefully never have to use it, but yeah, this is the good things to have if your car don't have a spare tire. Now I'm back home safely. I'm gonna use this big one to fill up the other 2 tires on that side to 40, so they are equally balanced and it's more efficient that way. Alright, let's do it. And also this one can plug in the 110 volt at home. Portable air compressor on my bike. Because this portable air compressor comes with many adapter heads, it could also add the fun to your family, like inflate this fun pool float for your family. Let's go to the pool. Alright, thank you for watching today guys, and don't forget to use the link and the code in the description below, and see you on the next video.